Hi TARS, my name is Davey and I am one of the counselors at Counseling and Psychological Services, also known as CAPS, which is part of the Rollins Wellness Center. Here at CAPS, we are aware that many of you have experienced significant challenges over the past year. We know that research indicates that many individuals have been experiencing increased mental health concerns. Some of these things might include increased feelings of depression and anxiety, symptoms of grief and loss, trauma triggers, sleep concerns, difficulty focusing, navigating, and feeling disconnected, just to name a few things. So if you have been experiencing any of these types of symptoms, please know that you are not alone. And regardless of where and how you're learning this semester, we want you to know that there are mental health services that are available to you. We want to talk a little bit more in this video about how to access the support that you might need during this time. Any Rollins student, regardless of where you are currently located, can schedule an initial clinical consultation with one of our CAPS counselors. These consultations are confidential and are virtual, so they can be accessed from any safe and private location. This initial consultation is a chance for you to share what you are experiencing and to collaboratively create an individualized wellness plan to most appropriately meet your current needs. These initial consultations are your best first step to accessing the support that you might need. And you can schedule an initial consultation by contacting the Rollins Wellness Center by phone at 407-628-6340, or you can request an appointment online through our Wellness Center website, which is listed below. All Rollins students are also invited to participate in our virtual drop-in spaces and wellness workshops that are scheduled throughout the fall semester. You can find out more about these events by checking out our Rollins Wellness Instagram account, which is listed below, or by calling the Rollins Wellness Center. All Rollins students also have access to our after-hours counselor if you are in immediate need for mental health services after the hours of 5 p.m. on weekends or on holidays. You can access this after-hours counselor by calling 833-848-1761. If you are a student who is currently residing outside of the state of Florida, there are some legal limitations to the ongoing therapy services available to you via CAPS. However, your mental health is extremely important to us, and we want to help you find support. If you are residing outside of the state of Florida and are interested in ongoing therapy support, please schedule an initial consultation with a counselor and we can discuss your situation with you. We can help connect you to our clinical case manager who can help you to locate appropriate resources within your local community. If you are a student who is currently living in the state of Florida, whether on campus, in the Orlando area, or elsewhere in the state of Florida, you are legally eligible to access ongoing group and individual therapy through Rollins CAPS. If you are interested in finding out more about these therapy services, please schedule an initial consultation and you can talk more with the counselor at that time who can help you connect to these resources. Regardless of where you are located this semester, please know that you and your mental health matter tremendously, and we are eager to help you get the support that you need this semester. If you have any questions, you can contact the Rollins Wellness Center by calling 407-628-6340. We look forward to working with you, and stay well.